He was just a boy, lost and alone. No family to call, no place to call home. Under the bridge, the streets were his bed. The hope and dreams filled his head. Through the cold nights and rainy days, he held on tight, never lost his way. Books in his hand, dreams in his eyes, determined to make it, he would rise. From the streets to the sky, he's soaring so high. No one believed, but he refused to die. Now he's standing tall, owning his faith. From nothing to greatness, it's never too late. Oh, he rose from the streets, turned his pain into gold. Now he's building a future, a story to be told. With hope in his heart and strength in his hands, he's lifting others up, making new plans. The road was long, the journey was tough, but his will was stronger and more than enough. He walked to